we've been blessed with some good weather. And now we're gonna go for a hike.
Wow.
Imagine being a kid here, growing up. Or somewhere down there. God, it's so insane. Oh my God.
Oh my Lord.
Oh my Lord. Look at all these people.
Oh my Lord.
Alright, I guess this is the start. Nice bench. Holy crap.
6 long months on a dust-covered trail. They say heaven's at the end, but so far it's been hell. And there's
Dude, just look at this grass area. So sick.
rolling them hills, and it's waiting for me there. We were digging and sifting from 5 to 5, selling everything we found just to stay alive. Gold flowed
This is
free
crazy.
like the whiskey and the
Oh,
bar.
dude.
Sinning was the big
Whoa.
landlord and Satan was the star. And there's fire on the mountain, lightning in the air, gold in them hills, and it's waiting for me there.
We made it. Made it to the top.
Dance hall girls were the evening treat. Empty cartridges and bloodlines, the gooders of the street. Men were shot down for the sake of fun, or just to hear the nose of their 44 guns. And there's fire on the mountain,
Alright.
lightning in the air.
And we keep going. Here comes the clouds.
And it's waiting
Hopefully
for
making
me
time. Unreal, man. Unfreaking real.
Now my widow,
drop.
she weeps by my grave. Tears flow free for her man. She couldn't say.
I think it's where we get to the ridge
Shot
line.
down in cold blood by a gun that carried
this.
flame. All for a useless and no good, wordless
Get a look.
flame. And there's fire on the
Before the climb, the Oaks Matterhorn. Cloud covered right now. You see it, Zach? It's covering clouds up there. Slipping a bunch. So we just ran into those guys, and they kind of had a clear mind, and I think we're gonna turn back now because we're like 5.25 miles in.
Supposed
and,
to
it's gonna rain soon.
supposed to rain soon. Got a few
And
hours back.
And we still have 2 miles, 2.25 miles to the top, and there's no view up there anyway because it's just cloud covered. And it's getting cold now, and it's gonna rain. And we still have over 5 miles back, so
Yeah.
we're gonna turn back now, make the safe call, because it's gonna blow if we keep going and then not get back to like 10 p.m. probably. Gonna be kind of a bad day if we do that, so I don't want to waste my days here. So, going with the baguette with honey, and going down now.
Hands all muddy. Zachy slipped and then he dropped his beer bottle of water.
The bottle of water was like in the side pocket, so it just like fell out.
Zach.
So, I mean, I can't do anything about that. What the fuck you want me to do? Go down there?
Yeah.
Maybe some other time.
Freaking litter bug. What is that noise? Keep going! Here they are. Just missed them. No! Dang. Just missed you guys. Starting the descent from here. So we have like another 2 hours 20 from here. That's what's at the bottom to get up. So I'm thinking like 2 hours to get down. Oh, here comes the rain. I felt a drop. And then clouds are getting dark. Look at way in there. Definitely raining in there. I'm glad now that we decided to turn back. And yeah, because there's been some already wet and muddy spots we were slipping on the way down already before it was raining. So yeah, we have about an hour left till we're down. So can't come soon enough. I am so tired and so hungry. Luckily, we have some foliage here to keep us out of the rain, because I would not want to be all wet coming down with another hour to go. So
That's the rain.
yeah. Yes, it is. Good observation, Zach.
Die schwätzt mich ja. Und sie schlaft, ich würde das Video machen.
Good boy. Goodbye, Bobby. The rain's really coming now. Ah! Get me in this, under these trees. There's someone paragliding in this. That's mental. Full of rain now. Dude, thank God we're not at the top. We're done. To walk back in the rain. What do we have here? City Train Interlochen, interesting. Still got those gliders up there. One there, one over there. And we are back in town.
Fire